If you need to unsubscribe a contact in Mailchimp, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. Whether you're cleaning up your audience, removing inactive contacts, or managing subscriptions more efficiently, this is a simple way to take control of your Mailchimp list. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Audience. This is where all of your contacts are stored and where you can manage their subscription status. Next, choose the audience you want to work with. If you have more than one list, make sure you select the correct audience before making any changes. This is an important step because it ensures you unsubscribe the right contact in the right list. After that, tick the contact or contacts you want to unsubscribe. You can select one contact or, if needed, multiple contacts at once. Take a moment to double-check your selection so you don't accidentally change the wrong person's status. Once your contact is selected, click on Email Subscription. This opens the subscription options for the selected contact or contacts. From here, you'll be able to change their email status directly. Now tick Unsubscribed. This tells Mailchimp that the contact should no longer receive emails from this audience. It's a straightforward way to update the subscription status without deleting the contact entirely. Finally, click Unsubscribe Contacts to confirm the change. Mailchimp will apply the update and the selected contact will be marked as unsubscribed. That means they will remain in your audience record, but they won't receive future campaigns from that list. And that's it. You've now unsubscribed a contact in Mailchimp. This is a useful process whenever you need to manage your audience carefully and keep your email list organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.